Yoga is one of the most effective ways to support injury recovery, combining movement, mindfulness, and breath to help your body heal. It promotes flexibility, restores balance, and reduces tension, all while helping you rebuild confidence in your movement. When you're recovering from an injury, the first goal is to move gently and intentionally. Yoga encourages slow, mindful movement that increases circulation and supports the healing process without strain. Each pose allows you to explore your range of motion safely while tuning into your body's limits. One of the greatest benefits of yoga during recovery is how it helps reduce inflammation and muscle tension. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and repair mode, which lowers stress hormones and improves tissue recovery. Focus on foundational poses that build stability before flexibility. Poses like cat-cow, child's pose, and bridge pose gently mobilize your spine, hips, and shoulders while strengthening supporting muscles. These movements improve joint health and help prevent future injuries. As your strength improves, you can progress to standing poses like Warrior 1 and 2, Chair Pose, and Triangle Pose. These help develop balance, coordination, and endurance, all key components of a complete recovery plan. Breathing is at the heart of yoga's healing power. Deep diaphragmatic breathing enhances oxygen flow to your muscles, reduces pain perception, and promotes relaxation. Linking your breath with movement keeps your nervous system calm and your body receptive to recovery. Yoga also helps correct muscle imbalances and poor posture, two common causes of injury. By strengthening weaker areas and lengthening tight muscles, yoga restores harmony and alignment in your body. This makes your movements more efficient and less prone to strain. If you're dealing with specific injuries, like back pain, shoulder tightness, or knee recovery, focus on poses that support those regions without aggravating them. Avoid deep twists, overextensions, or high-impact transitions until your body feels ready. Remember, yoga is about awareness, not pushing limits. Restorative yoga can be especially powerful for healing. Using props like bolsters, blankets, and blocks allows your body to relax deeply while promoting gentle stretching and blood flow. Even holding a supported pose for several minutes can calm the mind and release tension from injured tissues. Consistency is key. A few minutes of yoga each day can create meaningful progress. Over time, you'll notice greater flexibility, strength, and confidence in your body's ability to move and recover. Yoga isn't just physical therapy. It's a mindset of patience and self-compassion. By listening to your body, moving with intention, and breathing deeply, you're not only recovering from injury, you're learning to move with balance, resilience, and awareness for life.